a 1986 Chevrolet C10. We call it Old Clyde. And Old Clyde is going to be getting the new ACES fuel injection Killshot EFI system. We have the ACES Killshot EFI system here. We have the ACES ignition coil. We have the ACES distributor. We also have the master fuel kit, and we have the 7-inch display. So we're going to start unboxing this, and we're going to start with installation. This will be multiple videos. We're going to see how everything goes, and I'll give you some tips and tricks along the way. So let's unbox this first. So this is the ACES Killshot EFI. Really nice box. Really beautiful laid out with the gold inlay. It's just a really beautiful setup here. We open the box. I mean, it's a nice box. We have this protection layer here of foam. We have a quality control inspection paper here where everything's been checked off and tested. What version it's been, handheld, software version, inspection stamps. We also have a letter here from ACES. Talks about warranty, returns, damages, exchange, refunds, etc. We have an installation guide. This is what it looks like here. It talks about ACES, who they are, what they're about. It's got color pictures here of how to set it up, navigation, start wizard. Really nice book. There's the PID loops and maps calculators, pulse width modulation. Really nice book. Wiring diagrams. Super nice. And this is what comes in the box. Of course, we have our Killshot TBI. This is a fuel injection system here. We have the Killshot ECM here. This is the computer. We have a dash mount for the handheld, hardware for it. Comes with a keychain. We've got another adapter here. We have a plug to run our wires through the firewall with. We have over here, we have GPS BD2 antenna. This is the antenna for GPS, so the handheld will actually do GPS. We have instructions here how to use GPS. We have a computer cable. We have oxygen sensor. We have the window mount for the handheld. And then we've got the entire wiring harness here. We've also got gaskets, fittings, and hardware. So that's pretty much what's inside of the Killshot box itself. Let's look and see what's inside of the ignition coil. We got a sticker. Really nice ignition coil here, and some hardware. This is the distributor, the Blackjack Pro Series distributor. There's the model number. This is what the distributor looks like. We got yet another sticker. Really heavy built, well-built distributor. There's hardware inside here. We're not going to install this product just yet. We're going to install the Killshot and the fuel system first. So we're going to do the fuel system first, and then we'll install the Killshot. So let's see what's in the fuel system box. This is what your master fuel kit looks like. Yet another sticker. We have fuel pump. We also have a fuel filter. We also have, what is this here? I don't know what that is. Maybe another filter. This might be the pre-filter, and that's the final filter, or vice versa. We got two filters, and we've got this back in here. We've got a gauge, fuel pressure gauge. Goes 0 to 100, and it's liquid filled. See the liquid's starting to come up in it now. We have fuel pressure regulator here. Kind of hard to get out. So it's a firewall mount or fender mount fuel pressure regulator. And that's what's on the top foam portion. Pull this out here, and we have right here box. We got a whole assortment of hardware, clamps, just all kinds of stuff there. And then we've got some fuel line. Not sure how much fuel line, but there's quite a bit there. So my first project, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install the fuel system first, get all that set up, and once that's set up, then I'll install the Killshot. And then once we install the Killshot and get it operating and all the bugs worked out of it, then we'll move on to the distributor, and then we'll work on our timing curves and stuff of that nature. So let's get started.